guess who is back with a skincare video? Me. But don't get your hopes up though, because I feel like I am only doing this because I suddenly miss filming sit-down skincare videos, and coincidentally Yesstyle reached out to me and offered me to do a giveaway for you guys. So if you're a viewer of my skincare videos, you would know that I will never pass a giveaway opportunity for you guys. So make sure you stay until the end of the video, because today we're giving away 2 sets of Anua skincare products. So if you haven't heard of Anua, I think they are a rising Korean skincare brand because I have heard so many great things about their brand, specifically their products being simple, gentle, and suitable for sensitive skin. So I've been using the products for a few weeks now. I actually requested for an extension of deadline to post this video because firstly, I was traveling in Japan, and secondly, so I could really test out the products for you guys. So first up, I have the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. I use cleansing oils to remove my makeup, so I would say that I have tried quite a number of cleansing oils, even though I have oily skin. So for me, I feel like the trick is to basically find a cleansing oil that is light and suitable for oily skin. So this one in particular has a non-comedogenic formula, meaning it doesn't clog your pores, making it suitable for acne-prone and sensitive skin like mine. I brought this along with me to my Japan trip, and I use it every single evening to remove my makeup. I do think that it's very lightweight, and after cleansing, my skin doesn't feel dry as well, which is surprising because Japan was really cold and dry. It did quickly and easily remove all my makeup, including waterproof mascara, and so I really enjoyed using this during my trip because it was so convenient to use. After cleansing my skin, I have been using the Anua Heartleaf 77 Clear Pad. This one contains PHA, which is a gentle exfoliant as compared to AHA. Even though my skin isn't as sensitive as before, I'm still a little bit afraid to use AHA often, but when it comes to PHA, I know that it is gentle enough for me to use it on a daily basis and even twice a day. So one side of the pad is textured and the other side is smooth. I usually use the textured side because I like to just think of it as removing any residual dirt on my face and especially my neck before I put on any other skincare products. Next, I will use the Anua Heartleaf 77% Soothing Toner. I believe this is one of Anua's most popular products. I personally love a good hydrating toner. If you watch my previous skincare videos, you would know that I always like hydrating toners that are gentle, simple, no fragrance, no oils whatsoever, and this is just perfect. This contains one of my current favorite skincare ingredient, glycerin. I don't know why I've been obsessed with glycerin. It just makes my skin feel so soft, and it also contains panthenol, which is great for soothing sensitive skin. I don't know why it still looks so full. Anyways, I don't use a cotton pad with this. I just pour it on my palm and pat it on my face. The last product I have today is the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% Dark Spot Correcting Serum. Again, I think this is one of Anua's popular products. So these 2 ingredients, niacinamide and TXA, are known to help fade dark spots and acne spots. In addition, it also contains 2% of aventine, which helps in correcting uneven skin tone. So I also brought this serum with me on my Japan trip because I don't have a lot of acne spots, I feel like, but I have some spots on my face that I want to fade. So I have been using this diligently twice a day. I do feel like it's pretty hard to see a difference, but I have read so many good reviews about this, so I am very hopeful. I do love the consistency and texture of it. It's very watery, I'm not sure if you can see, so it's not sticky whatsoever. I just like to use this to layer under my moisturizer. Okay, so those are the 4 Anua skincare products I received from Yesstyle, and we will be giving away 2 sets of Anua gift set. So to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow Yesstyle on either Instagram and or TikTok, wherever you have an account on. Like this video and let me know in the comments below what are your favorite type of content to watch, or like what type of content you wish I will upload more often. Also, make sure to check the description box for the restricted countries that Yesstyle doesn't deliver to, and also the deadline for this giveaway. So with that, we've come to the end of this skincare video, and I just want to thank you so much for still being here, and I hope you enjoyed this little skincare video. Good luck for the giveaway, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye! Supposed to get too close to feel emotions that we're feeling now.